come with me on vacation. My son and I are going to be taking a one-night trip, mini vacation in our backyard in Maine so that we can get away, change our perspective, and get a little bit of a break from life. My husband goes away occasionally to hang out with his friends, and so a few times a year, my son and I stay in a hotel and we just kind of hang out and relax for a night. So come with us on our mini vacation, and I will tell you how I think about how to maintain my health and wellness while on vacation. Join us. Based on this spread, which hotel are we at? To get more steps in, we're taking the stairs from the 4th floor up and down to the pool. My goal by the end of this video is to try to get my kid in the frame. And we are at the pool. And yes, we went to a fast food restaurant. Oh my God, I ordered the Parmesan Caesar salad, and I'll show it to you in a minute. We're going to the movies. I just tried to get my son in the frame, and he ran away. Truly, he's with me. He just doesn't want to be filmed. So, all told, in the morning, I had a breakfast sandwich that was about 500 calories. My salad, I had 2 large salads, which together was about 1,000 calories. Then I had 500 calories in popcorn. I'm laughing because someone is laughing in the background. And I burned probably a total of 500 calories today just in extra movement. So I'm pretty much on par. I'm at maintenance, which is where I want to be. So I'm not calorie deficit and I'm not calorie excess. So I have met my goal for today. So we've had a really fun time on our mini vacation. We're going to continue the mini vacation tomorrow. We have gone to a hotel, swam in the pool, went to the gym, did some working out, went to a movie, ate some yummy food, and generally have had some fun for today. So now one of the 7 health behaviors that I preach, teach, and repeat is getting enough sleep. It is my bedtime tonight. It is my bedtime now, so good night.